You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words and more confusing vocabulary many get wrong in English, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Yeah, it looks like it should be said acrid, but no, yeah, you've guessed it, acrid. Both British and American English pronounce it that way, so it's easy. Stress on the first syllable, acrid, acrid. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. I'll see you there. Stay tuned. Loads to learn on this channel. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.